Bonjour, and today we're covering the simple and complex sentences in French because the complete grammar course available on this channel includes the French sentence, of course, and today we're taking the lid off the confusion that might exist between simple and complex sentences in French. Nothing to be scared of, really, as daunting as it may sound for the grammatically reluctant. I've never heard of a soul who could not manage this very topic, and yes, we're talking about soul embodied in the flesh, of course. The others don't count. Are you ready? Let's start. Les phrases simples et complexes. This lesson, we'll have it in 3 parts. It's like my cake. I want it cut in 3 parts. First off, the definition. B, the simple sentences. C, the complex sentences. What is a sentence? Le Dictionnaire de Robert in 2022 said, it is a word or combination of words capable of representing the complete statement of an idea. Meaning, a single word can be a sentence. Bravo is a sentence. And, of course, when you combine the words, you can have either simple sentences or complex sentences. Let's see what a simple sentence is. It expresses a single idea and usually includes 2 or 3 elements: subject, verb, and complement. So, let's focus on these 3 core elements. The subject. The subject does the action. It is the star of the show. The verb is the action. It is the employee doing the work. And the complement undergoes the action. It is the slave of the whole scenario. The complement has to be under pressure. You know, it is, again, sort of an employee, except it is not the one performing the action, it is the one undergoing the action. It is under the process of being acted on. Which is not great. You don't want to be the complement in life, do you? Let's take an example. The robot needs the bread. Le robot pétrit le pain. And pétrir is an important verb in French. As you might imagine, we love our baguettes. The robot needs the bread. The subject does the action. Is the robot needing the bread? The verb is the action. It is the act of kneading, and the bread undergoes the action. Of course, adverbs and adjectives may be added. And the adjective is a word qualifying the noun to which it relates and with which it agrees. So the adjective, okay, qualifies the noun to which it relates and with which it agrees. So we need to agree the adjectives with the word to which it relates. The adverb is an invariable word which alters the meaning of the sentence unit to which it relates. Quick example of that is, intelligent robots will soon take control. Des robots intelligents prendront bientôt le contrôle. Where is the adjective here? Where could it be? And where is the adverb? Well, you probably guessed it easily. And here we had the 5 basic elements of a sentence. Now, that was for the simple sentence, but we also have complex sentences, and it is composed of several simple sentences, at least 2 simple sentences, therefore expressing several ideas and indicating the links that unite them. So, it can either be bound by a conjunction, he's cleaning the wall and she's pruning the bush, il nettoie le mur et elle taille le buisson. This is a conjunction. We have a lesson about that. It's a great idea to review what they are in French. Mais où est donc Ornica? Here it is a conjunction. It is the simple kind because we have coordinate conjunctions, we have subordinate conjunctions. There is a lesson about that, a link below the video, and of course it will be an exercise with all the theory that we're covering today because it's very important. Let's rewind a little bit. We were talking about, what am I doing? We were talking about complex sentences, okay? And they can also be bound by a relative pronoun. She's pruning the bush that the robot likes. Elle taille le buisson qui plaît au robot. And finally, we have bound by punctuation. This is a bit more confusing, maybe, because a lot of people may struggle at times to use the perfect punctuation because it is not something that we are extensively taught. The good news is that we can learn punctuation, and this is not the point of this lesson, of course, but you need to remember simply in this lesson that complex sentences may be bound using punctuation. Like, the robot is looking at them. The job is done. You have a colon there. Le robot les regarde. Le travail est terminé. This is great start to cover what we covered today, because now you know, in theory, how to differentiate simple sentences from complex sentences. And let's rewind, let's sum it up. What did we cover today? We covered the definition. A sentence is a word or combination of words capable of representing the complete statement of an idea. A simple sentence, we learned that it was made of 5 pillars, 5 basic elements. The subject does the action, the verb is the action, the complement undergoes the action, and then the adjective of the word qualifying the noun to which it relates and with which it agrees. The adverb is a variable word which alters the meaning of the sentence to which it relates. Finally, we add complex sentences. And they can be bound, so it's at least two simple sentences connected together, bound by a conjunction, bound by a relative pronoun, or bound by punctuation. Will you be able to complete the exercise and succeed? And, feel that you understand the basic elements of a sentence, and probably you already know how to do that. But if it is not the case, then it is usually impressive for someone to just look back at what they thought they knew and realize that they can know that a little bit better. There's never, in my opinion, there's never a small step in the right direction. There's no small steps in the right direction. So it all starts with an exercise to make sure that all that knowledge has been properly installed in your brain. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in another one. Good luck for the exercise, and bye for now.